Hey guys, Anirban here. So today we are going to talk about the secret of patience. So everyone knows what is patience and why we should keep our patience and everything. But let's come to some basic things. What will happen if you keep your patience? Or what things will change in your life if you keep your patience? First of all, you will attract people very easily towards you when you keep your patience. And when people get attracted towards you, what will happen is you can convince them very easily for whatever you want. Like if you are a student or doing a job, or you are having your own business, you will need to convince people for anything you do. So keeping your patience will attract people towards you, and in turn they will get you can convince them very easily. So this was the first thing. Let's come to the second thing, is that do you think that success is a bit linked to keeping your patience? Because when you see that you are making your point on others, and others are understanding that why you are telling that, or you can convince others, it automatically moves you towards success. So in this case, the patience, keeping your patience also helps you to move yourself towards success. It will help you achieve some unexpected things in life. Once you keep your patience, you will understand that. So let's take some instantaneous examples what you can do to keep your patience. Let's take the first instance. When you are talking to a person, and eventually that talking is turning into arguing and quarreling, and eventually it finally leads to a fight. Stop that stop that thing. You need to recognize that when your talking is turning into arguing, the moment it turns into arguing, stop then and there. Ask that person to excuse you for a few minutes, go to a secluded place, then grab a piece of pen and a paper. Whatever you do is write the name of that person at the top of the paper with whom you were arguing or you were angry on. Then below that, write the reason why you are angry on that person. After that, make two columns. One column, you will write that what will happen if you argue with that person or shout at that person, or rather fight that with that person. What will happen? What may be the end product of that? And on another column, write that what will happen if you keep your patience, if you try to understand what that person is saying about that topic, and if you means what will come out at the end of it if you keep your patience and if you are angry at that person. Write both the things. In the meantime, when you are finished writing this, you will realize that your anger is gone by this time. This is what is exactly needed to keep your patience. You just need to keep your cool. When you are losing your cool, just move away to a secluded place, do this thing I said you, and after you have completed this, you will realize that you have again gained control over yourself. And when you see this, that you have gained control over yourself, just try to divert your mind from that specific thing to something else. What this does is it will also help you to understand what the other person's view is about a specific topic that you both were discussing. So this was something instantaneously what you can do if you are losing your cool and anything. Let's come to some daily exercises. So the basic thing is meditation. I always say everywhere that meditation is something that will help you achieve anything in life. When you are facing any problems in your life, when you can't handle, when you are not getting any solution to your problem, what you will do is do meditation. Meditation will give you answers to everything. Believe me guys, meditation does give you answers to everything. And moreover, when you do meditation, it helps you understand that why you should not be get angry, why you shouldn't get angry on the one person, and why you should understand that person's point of view. So guys, this is very important. Meditation is one of the basic things you need to do in life, regardless of whatever you are in your life. So this was about meditation. I will keep my video this short only, This was the secret of patience. And always remember one thing: people will try to provoke you, people will try to provoke you to lose your cool and everything. But just remember one thing: if you can keep your cool when people provoke you, then you have achieved your success. Because you will see some unexpected results when you keep your patience uh, when people try to provoke you. Yes, guys, you will receive some very unexpected results which you would have never thought. Try this and do let me know in the comment section below what happened with you all. Thank you guys for viewing this video. I hope you like this video. Do give it a thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubts or you want me to cover any new topics on my YouTube channel, do comment down below. I will surely check your comments and try to make new videos on that topic. Thank you guys.